Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix lock and home screen wallpaper disappear on iPhone. If your lock and home screen wallpaper is disappearing on your iPhone, it can be frustrating. This issue may be related to various factors including software glitches or settings. So guys, I'm gonna give you some steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. First of all, you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve minor issues. To restart your iPhone, simply have to go to your settings, tap on general, again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is check your wallpaper settings. Verify that you have set the wallpaper correctly. Go to your settings, go to wallpaper, and then choose a new wallpaper. In secure, you have selected approximately wallpaper for both the lock screen and home screen. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is check for low power mode. Low power mode can affect certain features, including wallpapers. If the low power mode is enabled, your wallpaper might be simplified to save battery life. Disable low power mode by going to your settings, go to battery, and if it's toggle on, then simply turn it off. If it still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for restriction. To do this, simply you have to uh, screen time. Sorry, go to content and privacy and see if content and privacy restrictions are enabled or disabled. If these are enabled, then you have to do is disable them. After doing this and you're still facing the issue again and again, then you can do is reset all settings. If the problem persists, you can try setting all settings on your iPhone. This will not erase your data but will reset all your settings to their default values. To do this, simply have to go to your settings, go back and then tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.